Okay, if you're a TikToker or influencer online, stop doing this with your microphone. Or this, or this, or this. And let me explain why. I'm Oliver Covey. Thank you so much for joining here on Product Perspective. So I've been a filmmaker, videographer for quite a few years now on some movie sets. I work for quite a few really big YouTubers as well. So one of the biggest things is being professional, but also having fun and just creating good content. So I think a lot of people forget that quality is really big in the YouTube world, really in any video world, but the YouTube world where we're posting long form, good quality videos is making good quality sounding videos as well. And now this might sound great, right? But it's annoying. It's drawing the attention off of the person or what you're talking about. Why? Well, it's got big lights on it. It's chunky, it might move around. If you're clipping it here, it's making weird ruffles on your shirt. If it's on the hat, it just looks kind of hokey and silly. So let me explain what you can do to up your game. Now, a lot of people are using wireless microphones just like this. It either goes to your phone, to your camera, but what you should be buying is a lavalier or lapel microphone along with your wireless microphone. A lot of people, again, just stick it here and they hit record. Go ahead, you can pick these up for $20, $30 on Amazon, or you can maybe get a little bit nicer one like you see right here. Now this is a $60 Rode lapel microphone that plugs into the Rode Wireless Go. Okay, and we are good to go. Now again, if you have someone who can help you clip it on to make it look a little bit better or lined up, then go ahead again. I clip this on without really looking in the mirror. But there you go, much cleaner, much simpler, and sometimes even better sounding depending on the lapel microphone that you end up choosing. Now again, this just makes it look more professional, it looks better, you don't have this big chunky thing with lights. I catch a lot of online influencers, TikTokers, YouTubers doing that, where it's just really not attractive and just not great looking or professional. Thank you guys for watching. Again, super simple fix. Let me know what else you guys want to learn here on Product Perspective, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.